the one thing that we always talked about was we're going to have the best wedding ever. Because we have the best friends in the family that like anybody could ever ask for. I've never seen this. I've never felt it. This is by far the best day of my entire life. Let's party.
Love like you never grew up and live like you just get one tonight. We're kings and queens. One blink and it's over. Wake up and we're older tonight. We're kings and queens.
A true marriage begins well before the wedding day. A brief moment in time and the stroke of the pen are all that's required to create the legal bond of marriage. But it takes a lifetime of love, commitment, and compromise to make marriage durable and everlasting. Today, Amanda and Jason, you declare your commitment to each other.
Love like we never grew up and live like you just get one tonight. We're kings and queens. One blink and it's over. Wake up and we're older tonight. We're kings and queens.
Amanda, I've never been so confident in the woman I'm about to marry. I sometimes cannot believe how perfect you are to spend the rest of my life with. And I hope you're okay. Like I can't keep my hands off. You're my soulmate, and you've made me one happy and confident man.
We have grown together in the last 5 years. So proud of who we are. And now today we step forward in the next chapter of our lives as husband and wife.
Holy smokes!
Love like we never grew